आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
नमस्ते दोस्तों, अब हम इस क्वेश्चन में क्या देखते हैं। रीड द पैसेज गिवन बिलो एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन दैट फॉलोज। तुम्हें यहाँ पर एक पैसेज दिया गया है, हमें इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर सुनाइए फ्रॉम द ऑप्शन गिवन बिलो, या हमें आंसर द फॉलोइंग टाइप क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है। कम लेट्स गेट इनटू द क्वेश्चन। स्क्रीमिंग इज एग्जिबिटेड बाय मेनी एनिमल्स, but no species uses this extreme vocalization in as many different contexts as humans, though we are pretty good at recognizing a scream when we hear one. The wide variety of screams make it difficult to pin down what defines them. To study screams is to probe the fuzzy boundary that separates human from the rest of the animal kingdom. It is a way to explore our pre-linguistic past. Although we are fully symbolic creatures today, on occasion a trace of our primal selves bubble to the surface in the form of a scream. Understanding its characteristics could improve the treatment of non-verbal patients, help fight crime, or simply make movies more frightening. But first, scientists need to explain what makes a scream a scream. To that end, the researchers at Emory University's Bioacoustics laboratory recruited 181 volunteers to listen to short recordings of 75 non-verbal human vocalizations such as screams, laughter, and crying. For each of the 75 sounds, the volunteers were asked to indicate whether they thought it was a scream. The researchers then analyzed 28 acoustic signatures of the sounds, such as pitch, frequency, timbre, to determine the parameters influence the perception of a sound as a scream. Most people would say that the defining characteristic of a scream is that it is a focused, loud, high-pitched, but previous scream research suggests otherwise. In 2015, David Poeppel, a neuroscientist at New York University, and the Max Planck Institute led a study to determine the acoustic qualities that differentiate fearful screams from other non-verbal vocalizations. To do this, Poeppel and his colleagues compiled a corpus of screams lifted from YouTube videos and ones recorded in their lab, then asked volunteers to rank them according to how alarming the sound was. Poeppel was imaged the brains of his volunteers as they listened to screams to see how these sounds affected neural activity. This is a given passage. ठीक है. Now the question क्या है? Which of the following statement is false according to the given passage? ठीक है. This is the given question. Which of the following is false according to the given passage? Options में पहला ऑप्शन humans are good at recognizing a scream. दूसरा ऑप्शन most people say that screams are focused, loud and high pitched. तीसरा ऑप्शन fearful screams and non-verbal vocalizations are the same. Third option, volunteers were asked to rank the screams according to how alarming the sound was. इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर क्या है? इट इज ऑप्शन सी है, fearful screams and non-verbal vocalizations are the same. Actually, both are not same because fearful screams are much different than the non-verbal vocalizations. Okay. So, though we are pretty good at recognizing a scream, when we hear the wide variety of screams makes it difficult to pin down what defines them. This line in the passage, it is clear that humans are good at recognizing a scream. Okay. And screaming is exhibited by many animals. So, this statement is also true, but no species uses this extreme vocalization in many different contexts as humans. So इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी है. शुक्रिया.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा. आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर.